Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, East Bakersfield, local and long-distance movers near me. For moving within the region, it's better to work with local movers than handle relocation yourself. East Bakersfield local TM movers and other local movers understand the region and know what affects relocation in it, routes, traffic policies, unique challenges, etc. Their ability to navigate and handle those factors make them the right choice for your local relocation needs. East Bakersfield long-distance 3 movers and other long-distance movers around know how to plan for this relocation. By using their licenses to operate in different states, their knowledge of the regulations in different states, and their experience in dealing with the challenges of this relocation, they can give you a safe, quick, and smooth relocation. They are specialized packing materials used by long-distance movers to keep your items safe, and they're expected to have insurance coverage in cases of damage or loss to your stuff. Long-distance relocation is typically more expensive, so you should look for a fairer-priced option to avoid spending more than necessary. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our East Bakersfield moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.